Hello, programmers across the world and wherever you live. Um, my name is Dylan. We will be programming for Java. If you're not familiar with it, I will help you along the way. We are going to work in Eclipse right here. So if you don't have it, you can type it in Google and then find the download. It's not too hard to find. And you're also going to want the Java runtime environment. That's also they're both free, so you can download them. So once you have all that installed, I'm not going to go into downloading it and stuff. That's just too complicated. Well, it's not complicated, but you know what I mean. So you're going to open this. This is what you're going to see. All these panels. It looks confusing, but we're just going to be mainly right here. See, I made a folder for my tutorials. By default, it's going to make a source folder. What we're going to want to do is make a package, which this I'll go over in a different tutorial, but just make a package for right now. This one's going to be called variables. I know, very complicated, right? And you're going to get a little package icon right here. You're going to want to right click, new class, and this is where we're going to make a new class. Type it in right here. I'm just going to call mine numbers, then press finish. Then we got our whole new class right here. Boom, right there. Now, you know variables, the stuff you see in math class, like x equals y and y equals mx plus e squared, you know, all that jazz. Well, you're going to see that a lot in programming. So what we're going to start off is real easy. We're going to start off with integers. You're going to type in int. Then you're going to give it a name. You could give it x, but you know, we can make it more special than that. I'm going to call it number 1. More special, right? And you're going to want to end all those with semicolon, because that's proper Java API. You know what? We need another number in there. I'm going to make it number 2. I know, I'm very creative. Now, the very next thing we're going to need is the main method. You're going to need this for every program that you write. Just copy it. I might go over it in another tutorial. Alright, now we're going to assign numbers to the number 1, number 2 variables, because right now they're nothing. They don't have anything in them. So let's assign some numbers. Number 1 equals 2. And assign a number to number 2, 2. Funny. 20, let's give it 20. And it's giving me an error. Aw. Hold on. Sorry about that. I forgot you're supposed to have these in your main method, because static has a big meaning, so just put them in there. So now we got our numbers and we got their values. So what we want to do is let's just do something simple. Let's add them together. So type your variable name and then put an add sign plus your other variable name. And then we're gonna, oh, oops, I forgot. We're gonna need a third number. Let's just call this final number. If I could type today, God. And let's make this 5. Now we're going to set these two numbers equal to final number. Now, why is it giving me an error message? Hold on for a second. Sorry about that again. I actually put these in the wrong order, so let's get rid of all that and move this to this side, move that to the end, and put this right here. Sorry about that. I know that's confusing. So we got our final number. It equals the first number plus the second number. Now, how are we going to, right now we can't view it, so what we're going to do is, so we can view it, we're going to do system.out.println, and then just type in final number so we can see what it is after it's been added together with number 1 and number 2. Then you're going to want to go over to here and press run numbers. Press OK. And look, we got number 22 after it added number 2 and number 1 together. So now, for I probably can't go through all of these, but for all the different addition, subtraction, we got addition equals the plus sign. We got minus for the subtraction sign. And for the multiplication sign, we can't put X. So we're going to put this is like the star thing above your number 8 on a regular keyboard or standard. And then for division, you want I think it's a / sign. So that's how you would divide two numbers. So I could go through all of these, but I'm running out of time. So I hope this helps you for starting off with numbers in Java. Thank you very much.